Alright, so you do remember I've got so many artists there backstage, see? But right about now, you're going to take a small break. Your Kemos, you're going to play only 4 tunes, and then I'll introduce the next artist there on NC. Yeah man, it's a big bashment party scene, you don't know say. Right about now, introducing wicked artists. Listen to the audience. Kemos, turn it up, turn it up. Hey, 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 hey. Engineer, turn it up. Dance on party. Run it. Pull up. Big truth, you don't know say. Real mad people there on the stage right now. Big up Kemos. Mad. Get the youth! Right about now! Right about now! Serious business! Kemos! Mix me now! Mix me now! Everybody! Gunshot! Gunshot in the air! Gunshot! Pull up! What do you know about dancehall business? See? Big up Kemos, good youth. Remove that from you. Everybody, gunshot! Gunshot in the air! Muscle shot! Hey, 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 hey. Bad youth! Runner! Hey. What on the man? I picture this one, real. Yo, can somebody say pull up? Pull up the front feet again one more time. It's a picture, real. Chicken to the bling. What you say? Everybody. Hey, 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 hey. Warrior, warrior. Squeeze down on ya. Big tunes, you don't know say. Drop it. Drop up again. Dance all night again. Summer bounce. So we go. Hey. Quick, 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 quick. Quick, 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 quick. Chicken to the bling. What you say? Kina ese mo komdenge maizia. Tainga kina bana banasi. Kemos, mix me now, mix me now. All the kina fans in the building. All the kina fans. What are you saying? Yeah, man. Respect. We have something in here. 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 Run it! Pull up that tune again one more time. Martin's your boss right now. Read him up. From top. Read. Your kicker. Kicker. Step down, mad. Alright, I do remember official album launch, Mukuru Ndi Mambo. See, I want to play one of my favorite tunes coming from the king of dancehall music. I'm talking about Kina. But before I play this tune, I want to see all the Kina fans put their hands in the air like so. All the real Kina fans, show me a signal right now. Mukuru Ndi Mambo, don't study album. It's a brand new album, Kina. So right now, we are doing this for all the Kina fans in the building. How's the Kina fans? Are you up for this one? Everybody go. Stop it! How the Kina fans handle the air? Let's go!
Vanopozera matombo ngavalato vanzvirira mudombo pakudanya chamwari saizvombo ati ukavaona vakamunira kugoti obva kwadziva natosangana netsotsi vavanochuta kusanumi varisoi